Today, we're gonna talk about a simple 3-step outline for vertical videos so they actually get views. Hey guys, my name is Ryan Weber and I help business owners with their video and marketing. And up to this point, we've recorded over 1,000 videos for small business owners just this year. So we have been working a lot this year with the vertical videos, specifically Instagram Reels. I haven't dabbled too much into TikTok, but I do know TikTok and Instagram Reels translate very well. It's just my clients who are small business owners are more interested in Instagram than TikTok, so we just haven't dabbled down there that much. But the ones that cross-post, it works for both. So vertical videos. What our format for this is on a phone screen. It is straight up and straight down. This is 9 by 16 or 1080 by 1920. So this is a vertical platform, and it's because that's how we're watching videos on our phone. And so recently Instagram has said all videos now, there's no more horizontal videos. You can't just post a video. They're all going in Instagram Reels and they're all gonna be vertical. The same with TikTok. All TikTok videos are vertical. Now you could post a horizontal video, but it's gonna look little itty bitty. It's gonna go just like this. And you're gonna have all of this stuff that you're missing. So you wanna make sure that you're actually posting the full screen vertical to maximize the real estate that the screen is giving you. We've gone way more all in on vertical videos, and if I were starting a business right now in videography, I would only do vertical videos because I see it as a way of the future and a thing that's really resonating for target audiences for our business clients. The thing with these vertical videos, what you're really looking for, there's a couple metrics right now that are working really well for the education space. I'm not talking about the dancing, the entertainment, the music, the trending music. We're not doing that. We're creating original educational content to help your target audience. You're looking to be 20 to 30 seconds in length. Anything longer, you have to be super engaging, and it has to be something that's really, really interesting. But 20 to 30 seconds is really the sweet spot on this. The next thing you wanna make sure is in the edit, and you can edit this in the app, or if you have a videographer, you have to have the subtitles. The subtitles have to be on the video. And you can't have the subtitles at the very bottom. You've got to have the subtitles somewhere in the middle because you've got all this text that'll be down here. So you've got to have it somewhere in the middle so they don't get lost. And the last thing about a vertical video is it's got to get super quick and punchy with it. You can't be sitting here slow and talking, and it's got to be something very fast. It's got to grab attention really quick, and you've got to hold attention for all of that 20 to 30 seconds because that's just what platform it's on. That's the newer age, the quicker I want my content, I want to get out. I'm just watching it on Instagram and I'm just scrolling. So you've got to be able to stop the scroll, hold attention for 30 seconds, and then get on out of there. The slower you are with it, the less likely they're going to keep watching. They're just going to scroll on by and then your video's gone. So getting into it, I told you guys I had 3 simple steps for recording these Instagram Reels or vertical videos. The first thing you need to worry about is the hook. The hook is going to be 1 sentence within these videos. It's the very first thing that you're trying to do to grab attention, to make people to stay just a little bit longer in your video. So we've got some notes over here on the hook. And here's a couple things we like to use for the hook. Either some sort of crazy stat or metric. I've started a video off saying 77% of people don't watch videos with their sound on. So that means you have to use subtitles. And so that goes into my entire video, but that's a crazy stat. You didn't realize that. YouTube is the #2 search engine behind Google in the world. TikTok just passed YouTube, Instagram, Facebook for the #1 video viewing platform in 2022. All of these are crazy, interesting stats that make you want to listen more to what it is that I'm saying. It's got to be just a one-liner, something that's going to grab some sort of attention. Another way you could do it is a how-to or a question. So if you're going to be educating, you're going to be asking a question. Are you wondering how to record Instagram videos without using a script? Something like that. How to record a top-down shot for YouTube videos. You know, all of this kind of stuff is just, that's your interesting hook that's gonna make somebody say, yes, that's me, I do want to watch more of this video. Another thing we like to do if we're clipping something, so let's say from this YouTube video that's probably gonna be about 8 minutes long, we wanna make short highlights that are 20 or 30 seconds. Taking something out of context and putting that first, where it's like, what is this guy talking about? That's a really good way to hook somebody in that wants to watch a little bit more of this video. Moving on to number 2, after your hook, you have to provide some sort of value. You can't just get in there, hook somebody, and then it's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo kind of delivering after that. You've got to get in there and provide value. And with this being such a quick, punchy platform, it's just gotta be one specific thing. You can't have all of this value, you know, I'm gonna give you 17 tips on, it's gotta be specific, it's gotta be short, it's gotta be quick. So one tip that has to resonate with the audience that you're trying to reach based on what your hook was. And it's also gotta have substance. I can't just say, how to record an overhead rig video. We'll put it on a tripod and put it overhead. Like, there's no substance to that. Break down exactly what it is that you did and why you did it, you know, whatever that value is that you're trying to do, but one specific tip, how you can do whatever it is that you told them you were gonna do that resonates with the audience and it actually provides substance. Typically in this, I like it 3, maybe even 4 sentences, as long as it's quick and punchy, and you have to be very, very careful with your choosing of words. Anytime you start going off on a tangent, you're going down a different path, try and rein it back in. We've got to get it very quick, concise, and punchy. And finally, the last thing we should be doing is our simple call to action. So on vertical videos specifically, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, you're not having much time. You don't have a lot of time for call to action. So this is a 1 sentence again at the end. So if we're looking at amount of sentences, we have a 1 sentence here, we have 3 sentences here, and 1 sentence here. So we are only looking at 5 total sentences for these Instagram Reels. And when you start looking at them, well, you're probably gonna sit in the 20 to 30 second range. So that's why this formula works really well. But getting into this call to action, we don't have much on this. It's gotta be simple for them to do because these platforms are generally a simple platform and it has to be easy. So the one call to action I like to do every single time, and I suggest this for everybody, follow me for more tips on what it is that you do. So if I'm a videographer, follow me for more tips on helping small businesses with their marketing. Follow me for more tips on videography breakdowns. You know, whatever it is that you specifically do, but basically just have them follow you for more on whatever platform it is that you're talking about. So Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you know, breaking things down. But that is the very simple formula for vertical videos. Everyone likes to try and talk way too much, or they don't provide enough value and they don't have enough substance, but it's a very, very simple formula when you can get interesting, intriguing topics and you can do it in 5 sentences. So find a way that you can hook somebody in with just 1 sentence, provide a ton of value in just 3 sentences, and then tell them to follow you for more tips on what it is that you do. So I hope this was helpful for you recording your vertical videos. We love the vertical video platform. Last week we recorded 30 videos for one client in about 2 hours. And now they have a Instagram reel for their business every single day for this upcoming month. So it can be done as long as you have a formula to follow. It makes it super, super simple and easy. But if you do have questions, subscribe to the channel and let me know how we can help you more with your small business marketing. Guys, my name is Ryan Weber and we'll see you in the next video.